In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files using Dropbox shared folders. We'll walk through the whole process together so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a shared folder, add people to it, and control what they can do with the files inside. First, open Dropbox in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on your main Dropbox homepage, look for your list of folders. This is where all your content lives. To create a space you can share with others, you'll either choose an existing folder you want to share or create a new one specifically for collaboration. If you're creating a new folder, give it a clear name that everyone will understand, like Project Files or Team Assets, so it's easy to recognize later. Next, hover over the folder you want to share. You should see a Share option appear. Click that, and a sharing window will open. This is where you decide who gets access and what they can do. In the field provided, type the email addresses of the people or team members you want to invite. Take a moment here to double-check those addresses so you don't accidentally share your files with the wrong person. Before you send the invitation, look for the permissions or access level setting. Dropbox usually lets you choose between Can Edit and Can View. If you select Can Edit, the people you invite will be able to add, change, and delete files within the shared folder. This is great for team projects where everyone needs to contribute. If you choose Can View, they'll only be able to open and download files, but not make any changes. That's a better choice if you're sharing final documents or sensitive content you don't want altered. You can also add a short message to your invite. This is helpful to explain what the folder is for, what people should do when they get access, or to point out any important files inside. When everything looks good, click the button to send or share. Dropbox will then send an email invitation to each person, and the folder will appear in their Dropbox once they accept. From now on, anything you place into that shared folder will automatically sync for everyone who has access. This makes it an easy, reliable way to keep a group on the same page without constantly emailing attachments back and forth. And whenever you need to, you can return to the sharing settings to change permissions or remove access.